In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your laptop back to its original, brand new state. So, if you want your laptop to look and feel like it did when you first bought it, here's what you need to do. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Then click on the Settings window. On the left-hand side, click System, scroll down, and select Recovery. Now, next to reset this PC, click on Reset PC. You'll see two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Remove Everything will completely wipe your personal data, including files and apps. Keep My Files will keep things like your photos and documents, but it will still remove all apps and system settings. Since I want to keep my personal files, I'm going to choose Keep My Files. But if you want a full clean wipe, you can select Remove Everything instead. Next, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. You can choose Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. I recommend selecting Local Reinstall because it's usually faster. You can also click Change Settings to see a few extra reset options. Then click Next and wait a few moments while Windows prepares the reset. As you can see, this process will restore all Windows settings to their default state. It will keep your personal files if you chose Keep My Files, reinstall the Windows operating system, and remove all applications. If you want to check what apps will be removed, you can click View Apps that will be removed to see the full list. Once you're ready, just press Reset, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.